the Tripoli. You say you get person, your friend where they work, where get workshop for Tripoli. You want go work for them. Wetin you tell me they in boss. Now voice note you send to me. I have it. You even show me the person. We say you tell the person make it send you the video of where they work. Say you go send her for me. Now I say I don't need that. As far as say you they go there, go work with the person. You go they make your money there. Now I just call my in-law say I beg Mona give me the money. Make I give her. My in-law come tell me say I can't call you personally. Say how much go carry you reach Tripoli? You say mommy, the money will go you carry you fully. Now 600,000. Saze na voice note. Because if you lie, now we send all the voice to Papa Nora. May play her. You say money will go carry you reach Tripoli. Now 600,000. Nothing go come out. Now I call Papa Nora say, please, Mona, send me the 600,000. The money we una share. Now me bring out the money come out. I beg them. I even talk to the other lady. Say, bring your own come out. No, so na don't share her for una foundation. But no, Mona bring that money come out. Now me, for his house, we not carry this one come out. Papa Nora say, okay, make I bring account. The other lady still say, okay, make I bring account. Say, now because of me, money where they don't already share for platform, therefore no bring a comment. Now I say, please, as far as I say, I know this guy. Now they can't bring that money comment. But as you send that to Osaze, then the other lady can return 500. I can say that 500. Now me tell Papa Nora. Let Papa Nora tell me I can swear my father grave. Now, so Papa Nora, the other 500 where the lady gets so, tell the lady may send that to our foundation account. May we use that one to help any other person where need help. Then the 600 where they Papa Nora, you know, make that one may send the own to you. Now you even give me accounts. I can't me not see your money not in my hand. Now so I can't send your own account when you give me to Papa Nora. Papa Nora can't send from inside foundation. I can send you 600,000. Where you tell me say go carry you pata reach Tripoli. Then the other 500,000 where they delayed. Now me tell the lady may return her. You understand me? The lady can return her to our foundation account. I call the partner and say, me can tell you as I say, he go send that to you. But when you call tell me say na 600, now go carry you reach Tripoli. Now me call tell me they leave that money for our foundation account. May they send you 600. They never reach by people. I call the ask us as I say, when you want come out, you go say next tomorrow. Then after 1 week or so, after some days, I be 10 days, he call write me. He say, do they go. Now so they reach road. The person where they carry and say, may he do one thing. Or say, now they talk to me. So they send me the tea. I know you take 100 today. I know even because I know they like people where they take person for granted. I hate them with passion. Osazeri on side for road. Papa Nora, which can laugh. Don't make me laugh. I serious here. Osazeri Sokai. Oh God. Papa Nora. Osazeri Sokai road, Sokai place. If they send me one thing, say they say me do this thing again. In money no come reach. Now so Sazer. I know even manner. Now so Sazer, I not get time for that one. Now so Sazer, how much be that way? Because they send me another money. I not gonna know how much she talk. It dey my inbox. Now I just off put her for trash. I not even answer them again. Now what you happen for his ass be that? I don't even answer them again because I ask how much go carry you reach there. He says 600 and they send you the 600. Which one you call climb up, call the show picture, they show certificate for. You say 600 go carry you reach Tripoli, what do they call Libya? Then which one you call climb up again now? Cause they say now so you do this one, he carry you or he not still carry you. So I say people they will need help more than you. I know they like this kind of thing. Not let what they talk for the other side, come they affect us for this side. Because he don't carry you. I know even man as again. You don't reach the Tripoli now. You want to climb up here to call the show people certificate, and so you do that one for road. Now so you not do that one for road. What you call say we do? We know the cross person. Why I climb up now? Because they involve me. Now me made the break that money come out. If not, then for not bring that money come out. They don't put money for foundation. Money where foundation not they come out. No expect say you come here again now. They'll call they donate. He damn well again. They very soon will platform now. Awa. We know the cross person. You don't reach there. How you can't see money will take good that certificate to thank God for you. We don't know. But thank God say you dey Tripoli, you don't dey. If you borrow that money wey you take do that thing, that your friend when you say get shop, when you want go work for them, make you take banners. Period. I not get any other thing to talk. You understand? So please, not they talk all those time again because it not make any sense. Sorry, my brother, though. Papa Nora drop me. Thank you. I don't go.
Thank you so much, my swagalicious in-law. So that's why because me surprised when they ask me say money no reach because me want ask you that I don't send you I don't send you the city where you did so for Tripoli. Where I donate for you before me you go to Niger. According to Wetin she just now. And because of her, they release them because he explained how things be for us for now for me. You understand? Even before your father come late and everything, she explained everything. You just to be like their last born. So the way she take talk, I can say okay, no problem. So you don't need to come back on the talk say money not reach. We not a cross person. So as a micro someone,
Pa, Epa, Epa, I feel swear with my father wey dey grave. If e be say na crossing, na I wan use the money to do.
okay, what you want to
My
do?
father wey dey grave, I feel swear with am.
Not use your father where they grace well. What do you want to use the money to do? Osaze.
Epa, I no tell mama say I need the 500,000 to God who made me.
No, not be money you come as soon now. You know we don't know none here. You want use the money to do
Yes,
it? Explain. What you want use money do now?
okay. The money wetin I wan use am do be say the guy wey be say he send me money wey be say he take pay which is for the wan take do the paper so I go tell am say okay I will give am the money if I reach that side which is Tripoli one day so na there he come say okay say if I work I will give am the money I say okay say but me never get the money na as I reach there na the guy na come talk say okay wetin go happen he no get work for me for now say my friend cause wetin be say dey go on everywhere be say no normal so now I come tell you dey inside house. It's all those one. Even since then, when be say he not reply me, I never send any message again. I never disturb her. Apart from that one message, one I said for which say he don't return the money give you. I not ask her anything. I not tell her anything again. To God who made me.
Okay, so how much you want give the boy now?
The money one I give the boy now 260,000. Now I give the boy. I not tell her anything. Me, I never get any argument. Even when I clap off platform, yours, I not tell you say thank for mommy unstoppable. When you say they talk to you. No, if you wait till I talk before I see greet you.
Because the reason why she climb, she dey vex for you because wetin we do for inside house, you call the talker for public, who we are telling here are there, so that tomorrow people call the call and say she be human trafficking. Because people will not think say you want to give the boy the money. First people will think say now she dey even dey sponsor you to Europe. That's why you come back here with confidence. Come to say you need more money. And you feel that they put me and her for problem. If you don't know. I just been one make you talk finish just now. So that I'll forgot ask you without me send you Tripoli. He may hit no warning before she come up. And the first thing that we ask us is remember you were Tripoli, I'm we married on Sunodo. So what it go happen we say me not get 260,000 now. My fans they carry me the waka. Without say my fans not donate, because I don't still try. Me don't still bring my own money come out several times to take help people. But now everywhere you're red for my side, I'm broke. I'm broke. You know, say we are jobless. My win now. I don't know that you don't see video where they talk say I did jobless, I did jobless. Now true to me go. You know that feed the 1 naira even. Now that you wake up in the morning, call they talk for social media. One said even I'm a jobless man by nature. I don't have money. Where it dey? I wish it dey. I forgive you. What it be 260,000? If it dey, I'll give you. But it not go home and away. Go lidara. But when I carry man and stop people. When I ask my fans, if you think that they lie, ask them now for something. If I no get 260,000, where I put am? Where it dey? Where it dey? Me want go drop children this morning. Now my wife even borrow me 10 euro. I take that ticket for bus. Me go. Now who get the give? So I know. Now
So I know what I was saying.
The
Come
yeah. They look me like say you got the answer one money no where e dey. Oye, where e dey? Miriam, Miriam for your talking. Me Miriam for your talking you first. No, na Miriam last come. Me Miriam for wait. Oro me ma be request of where. Okay, I don't see am.
Umuetu they not ready. There's no need. When not see, you know why I climb again. This guy tell me say if he reach Tripoli, he go make money. The time make me be one call ask am just like phone a drop am. He say get one of his friend where they make money for there where in they go there go work. Now make me even say Mona give am the 600. If not, I for no top put. You understand? You can climb up now. They say now so your money no reach you. It reach you in one way, not reach you in the other way. Now don't want your invest me when I climb up. Now money where you ask for, say you want to reach where we they go. Now they give you. Which one you call the climb up? They say the money reach you in one way, it not reach you in one way. That can't it not make any sense. Now if now we still the comment section go verse una now. He go verse. Now nobody go hear that kind of thing will not go verse. It don't make sense. When they will share the money, I not their platform. I come and talk to Papa Nora. He listened to me. He said everybody they listen to person.
When I share the money in a public, I for do I ask my fans.
Yes, now public,
I
yes.
tell the woman say, as it be like this, take 500,000. May I take
Exactly.
500,000 to my foundation account. But
Exactly.
when you called, I obey you. Okay? And I obey you. I
You
grab
obey, may God bless you. You even send us, me even ask her, how much you know say go carry you reach there? He says 600. Now make me talk to two of them. I'm gonna give him the 600. Me take go to Tripoli. Because like what you want go do for Tripoli? Say get one of the guy where get shop. I know they like people where go they take person for granted. It's not good. Huh? You call you. I know say na level you take climb this up. Maybe get what he tell you why you carry and come up. I know say you for not carry and come up. You wey me know. Maybe
no.
get what he tell you.
Now my moderators bring them up. Remember you know how you do.
I
Now
know say there must be
my
something.
fans
Not
call the
trick.
react and say if I bring Osaze up, it's very important. Me don't know what he do my commenters for comment section. When make comment call the talk say Osaze, everybody just call the react Osaze.
Maybe
Me
on
man
maybe
let me
not
hear
have a
no.
comment section. Maybe get what he talk for comment section where they tell them that wants to be bigger. Now level it take climb up. I know.
All right. Thank you
You
so
do
much.
well, Joe. Thank you. God bless you.
Yes. Um, Mr. Evans before Miriam. Wait, you all have very big something, so now word will come last. Mr. Evans, let's hear from you.
Domo,
Hey, brother McCall.
domo, sir, domo.
How's the pidgin English? Oh,
Eh?
I say you speak pidgin English.
Okay, I go tell domo. Okay, well, wait, now do well, oh, now
You
do
fit come
well.
on camera.
Sir, okay, camera, okay, me I try because of my condition.
Eh,
Right. Eh,
these guys, you put your power tap. Oh, man, they throw a cap for my head. Man, let your head dry now. Man, they throw a cap for my head. Cap, money gone. Drop the phone.
it does show, I don't know.
Yes, it does show. It
Okay.
does show.
Now, well done. My name, first of all, me I first greet everybody for this house, especially for you. Uh, I dey hear about wetin you dey do, and God go bless you. And
Amen.
people wey also dey support this platform, God go bless una. My name na Pastor Elvis, na be my name. I don marry, I get 4 kids. Then wetin bring me come here na my condition, eye problem bring me come here.
Okay.
Okay. And this eye problem, it has been on ground since I think 2019. They treat am. They go hospital, they buy drugs and all that. So in the process, about the last 2 years, I think last 3 years, I don't even lost one of the sight.
Oh,
One one of my eye, the right side, I lost it. They say na glaucoma. So because of that, I have to keep on taking the drugs.
yeah.
And so once they affected, it don't constantly affect me. And my sister, na Festina Peter, na my junior sister be that one.
Okay.
Na my junior, na me senior and direct. So
Wow.
that and na that one wey come see my condition because I don't know if you all lose the two sides. So that one I can stand.
I beg, wait, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anybody that writes fake pastor in the comment section should be blocked. Moderator one here. Anybody who write fake pastor here should be blocked. If you don't have conscience, that means you are not my fans. You will write fake pastor. If you are, that means you're not my fans. Leave here now. Get out of here. Why are people so annoying? Pastor not there. Native doctor not there. What's that? Who no go fit temptation for this life? You know they. Thank you so much, moderator of the comment section. Why will you just you look person, you not thank the person? See, that's why God can never bless some of you because some of you are too wicked. You don't know what God see demand. Please, sir, continue.
It is in my that is how people are.
Yeah. What do you
If
want me
you are
to do for you? What do you want me to do
okay,
for you?
he actually need help. He need a
Okay.
help.
What kind
Last
of
year,
help?
okay, last year, my sister have to pull out about 2 million out.
I dey hear you.
Yes, yes. So the money we because it's they refer us to Asaba. Now Asaba now they refer us go do the operation.
Mhm.
The operation glaucoma. So even get different name where they call it na glaucoma. So at the end of the day, everything we spend is about 7 million. Na each check time. That time she not dey strong like that again. So and before then, doctor say na 50-50 cause na emergency. Say we go do up to 3 operation.
So take away.
That is what the doctor said. So this year the thing was very serious. E come serious well. So I come call am say see you. He say he don tell me already say we must do another operation. I come ask am the operation how e go be? He say it's about 700. Say it's about 700 for the second stage. So then the come do calculation and all that the transportation is about 1 million plus. It's about 1 million plus. Now I come tell myself, I say, see wetin you do. He say yes. He say na him don first discuss with am. He don fit call am. Because I come tell am say who wan for see am? Me I no get. My wife na graduate but there is no job. Na aloko we dey say no say na seasonal thing, no be everyday thing.
Mm.
Just dey house. Since February last year now I do am. I just dey house. Just dey indoor. I no fit dey go out. I no fit dey work because of the blurry vision is too much. I no dey recognize people face like that. So na make e come say okay he go talk to person. Me I'm not a fan of social media. I no dey so na he come tell me say he get him person wey he dey do this TikTok he go talk to am so that he go fit send me the link me I dey follow you up na so I take reach here baba.
So
I no go fit lie you. I dey hear of your name but say social media thing I no sabi am like that. That is just the truth. So na make big deal.
all I need from you, now the report wey carry am say one of you lost your sight. I need that report.
Okay.
If you can send that report to me, um, I will see what we can do for you.
Okay, sir. You see me, I send the report. How that is.
Yes, wait, carry and say yes, you really lost your sight. I'll still
Okay.
show am to my team. Then we'll see
Okay.
what we fit help you.
Okay. Okay, daddy. Okay. No wahala, sir.
Yes.
Oma.
So
But
I
I
dey
don't.
expect now till maybe in the evening. You can send that for me. Then tomorrow I'll bring you up again.
Okay. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All that he want day for writing. I be me just.
Justina,
Sir.
I need the report. Wait, carry and say your brother sight. Maybe one don't
Yes.
break later. I just need the report. Now, you dey
No
hear me?
wahala, come on, sir.
And then after that, if you don't send the report, because many people go say a part not verify, permanent they verify. So we need to verify, then we'll bring you back before we know what to do for you.
Okay.
No wahala. Ipadomo. When
Okay.
the 20, where domo wa baba,
Yeah.
2020, I think 2023, December. Oh, yeah, even one year, I go spend me, go spend it.
Now you have speak
All
pidgin English, speak pidgin.
So he sleep as he wake up. You know, call the one of the no corner open again. I take call me. That was December. Say, you know, they see with one eye, we don't understand. You know, my year rush January. A year raise you go, people do some things, raise money. We will take go for the following year, which was last year, January. Last year, January. Understand? So okay, scanning. You have to man always scan. My Bravis, the people
Sir.
when they give for hospital, is there with you?
You know, say they don't dey give people for they don't give people paper, especially na the card. I get the card, I get card, but paper, you know, say they don't dey give anybody paper. So if na that one, I fit call the doctor. You know, say dey busy, I fit call am. If any wey I fit may send me anything report, I no know. You know, say they don't dey give paper. Else anybody wey dey take medicine.
That your hospital when you did way, we will go down, make we go down one. That your doctor, that your female doctor, when you transfer us, go Asaba.
Yes.
That will say I need somebody wey go take me there. Oh.
I know, so you not fit drive again now. I mean, not the house. So
No,
move back
Festina,
that.
Festina, not till tomorrow or next. Just when I take on time, when I go, make they scan am, make they do the scan again so that it will be new myself. So
Yes,
that if you
yes.
send that for me, they will know what to do.
Oh, Allah. I will say.
All
I
right.
will say.